Pro-Wike Thomas Amadi, I'm the convener of Simplified Rivers Elders Forum. Simplified Elders Forum is a body who will put together rivers elders to support our governor. We came to see initially that our governor, Siminalayi, most times you just see him with young men, which, okay, good, but we felt that we should come together as elders. And also we noticed that the support he has across the edges, even the elders who are supporting him were not even the body together. SIREF, that's the short term of Simplified Rivers, it's across the 23 LGS. And we have been trying to make some visits. We took a decision that we need to come and see Chief Rufus Ada-George. Like when I came here, I said my first time in politics was in this house. And if we are doing politics of Rivers State, anything, we should be able to see him. He's our leader. I don't see how we can do politics, any of us that did not come from here. Even those who were on the other side, they are here. So we came to thank him, basically to thank him for the roles he himself and the larger Rivers Elders Forum, they have played in this crisis we've had. We came to thank him and ask him to please don't relent, to continue so that we can get to the end of it. That was basically our mission. We're happy with the peace. With the peace process, we're very happy because our guy here, I remember those days used to tell us, I don't know that he can still remember, they say if you are running an election, those days used to say if you are running an election and you come out in the morning and you see goats passing by your house, you should, goat I greet you, goat I greet you. You just have to, it's peace to be able to succeed. So whatever that is happening now, I think it's good. That's one of the reasons why we came to thank him.
My name is Professor Akpoti-Uduaghan for Bianime.
Okay, concerning the visit, tell us more about the visit.
Well, the convener said it all. Chief Rufus Ada-George is the undisputed, authentic leader of Rivers politics. There's no way you are going to dispute it. Rivers politics is monolineal in the sense that Okilo begat Rufus. Rufus begat Odile. Odile begat Ameji. Ameji begat Wike. And Wike begat Sim. Now, the reality is that from Okilo down to now, Rivers politics has been in the orthodoxy or conservative guard. And that has to do with the leading of the founding fathers towards the north. So if you look at Rivers politics in the main, it is conservative. And when Rivers State was divided into two, and our brethren were now moved into the geographical space called Bayelsa, the reality was that the Ijaw component moved over, the rest were left here. And at the point Okilo left, the man he handed over power to was Rufus Ada-George. And I'm saying this for you to reflect back. When people say, this man is leader, this man is not leader. No. Rufus Ada-George was SSG. And the most profound director. He has almost four directorates under him. So when he now handed over to, when he now took Odile as his running mate, Odile was Rufus's deputy. He now became governor. Do you understand? Now, when you look, and when I say, if you look at the orthodoxy of the generation of power in Rivers State, Amechi, who was Amechi? Amechi was PA to Odile. And also PA was working directly with Rufus before Rufus posted him. Then Odile now made Amechi. Who is Wike? Wike was chief of staff of Amechi. Do you understand? So nobody had actually come into the stream of Rivers' political power that was not part of Rivers' power. So he that is speaking here, the convener, is himself a grassroots worker in this system. All of us drank from that wealth. In fact, some of the gentlemen in this room, Birabi and the rest, well, hardly you hear Rivers people talk about progressive politics aligning with any other place. So whether you like it or not, this place is the mecca of Rivers politics. And it was imperative that you are doing something. You came to brief the Grand Master. I know that some people, when you say it now for ego reasons, will say, you are saying it. Yes, the truth. Whoever say the truth. It's a jewel that we have, and it is a jewel in Rivers politics. And whether you like it or not, nationally and otherwise, the name Rufus Ada-George rings a bell. So we needed, whatever we were doing in the Simplified Elders Forum, we needed to come and tell him that it is what we have been, what we are doing, this is what we've been doing, it's important. And at the same time, get his blessing. Thirdly, like the convener said, he's been involved in the peace process. You remember when this Matthew's whole thing started, it was the Rivers Leaders and Elders Forum under his guard that called for the two parties to try and see him so that he can take charge of the processes. So we want to thank him for it. We want to appreciate him. And again, we, as young elders too, we too felt that none that is alive, let's give him the honor due him. Not when the man is dead and on that big bed. You say, Rufus was the man with the Rufus. No. Give honor to whom is due when he's alive. So that when, in the days that come later, you make the same statement, they will say you have always held him in regard. That's why we're here.
Well, yesterday evening, a member of our organization approached me and indicated the willingness of this group, the Simplified Elders Forum, to meet with me. I merely asked what for. But they told me they just wanted to say hi to me and gave me the time at 2 o'clock. But as dutifully as they are, they came by 12.
By 12, yes.
So they were here very early enough. So I was first, while my team, my colleagues, were waiting to meet them by 2 o'clock, they were already here. So most of them could not come. The first place I have to emphasize, and I'm happy for them and pleased that they did mention that they were coming to say hi to me and to appreciate me for a few of the things. I did emphasize to them that there's nothing I've done here without the knowledge and cooperation, collective will of our people, of all of you here. So the appreciation, the Thanksgiving should go to each and every one of you first before coming to me, and I'm happy. We told you then that we scheduled a meeting for 4 p.m. today, and that you are happy I'm seeing some of them. That will show you the level of dedication. Since he came by 12 o'clock, Some of us have been here since 12 o'clock till now. That will show you the level of dedication most members here commit themselves to. If it comes to financial responsibility, they put their money and help to get the thing functioning, time and everything. So I want to, as you come to appreciate me, appreciate each and every one of them. The motives, our Rivers Elders and Leadership Forum has been a registered organization for more than 14 years. They are a disciplined body with principles and we work accordingly. I told you that we are interested, committed, we are not politicians. We are committed to the welfare and well-being, justice for Rivers State, and equity. So what we are doing here, you will always hear us saying we want peace in what has been happening. Every time we want peace. We are neither supporting A or B, but we are for peace in the state. We want equity, we want justice. Without these factors, there can never be development in the state. There can never be adequate progress. So we are calling for peace, and we will continue to appeal and call for peace. We support any move that will bring peace and justice in the state. And we are calling on all organizations, all individuals, all politicians to bury the hatchet and do everything within their resources to ensure that the peace moves from what we are hearing in the radios and online and so on. Any peace move, we will support such move. And we are encouraging you, your group, and all other groups to embrace peace efforts and make sure there is peace in the state. And all those concerned, all our leaders, they're all Rivers people. And they should take the interests of Rivers State first and foremost in whatever they are doing and embrace peace and joy and happiness. They should remember future generations and leaders are looking up to them. As we are also looking up to them as having gone through the crucible a bit. And whatever they do, no matter the benefits they think they are driving today, we are accountable to, by them, to the people of Rivers State in future. So we will, I told your people that what I will appeal most for them to do is to ensure they inform prayer groups. While we are doing our thing, the little things we can do, we must embark on the spiritual warfare to cleanse this state and bring progress and happiness. So I want to thank you people for kindly remembering and appreciating the little things you've done. They are by faith and based on truth and happiness. Thank you very much.
Thank you.